How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today is 4th September 2020, Friday. How's the weather outside? Cloudy because the rainy season is going on. Our first exercise is look at the trees and circle the part that does not belong to that tree. You look at this tree carefully and after that does not belong to that tree. मतलब ये ट्री से रिलेटेड जो नहीं है उस पे हमें सर्कल करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट विच ट्री इज दिस? टेल मी. कोकोनट ट्री. विच ट्री इज दिस? कोकोनट ट्री. So here I drawn 3 picture. Here I drawn 3 picture. So tell me student, which picture does not belong to that tree? This picture? No. This? Yes. So but what is this? This is a carrot. So carrot does not belong to that tree. Next, which tree is this? Papaya tree. Which tree is this? Papaya tree. So look at these 3 picture and give me answer. Which picture does not belong to that tree? Tell me. This? No. This? No. So which picture? Yes, this leaf. Okay, so circle these leaves. So this leaf does not belong to that tree. And next, which tree is this? Tell me. Banana tree. Which tree is this? Banana tree. So here I drawn 3 picture. So which picture does not belong to that tree? Tell me. This leaf? No. This? No. So where is? Yes, brinjal. So brinjal does not belong to that tree. So circle this brinjal. Student, you understand this exercise? Yes, very good. You look at this tree carefully and after the circle. Okay, and last, which tree is this? Mango tree. Which tree is this? Mango tree. So which picture does not belong to that tree? Tell me. This? No. This? No. This? Yes. This leaf does not belong to that tree. So you understand this exercise? Tell me. Yes, very good. So children, our next exercise is connect that things we get from plants and trees to the tree given below. मतलब इस एक्सरसाइज में हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे मैडम ने देखो डिफरेंट थिंग्स ड्रॉ की है ना? यस. सो कौन सी थिंग्स हमें ट्री से मिलती है? सो उसको ट्री के साथ कनेक्ट करना है. यू लुक एट दिस ऑल पिक्चर केयरफुली एंड आफ्टर कनेक्ट विथ ट्री. ओके, so here which picture is this? Tell me. Oven. So oven does not get plants. Okay, then here flowers. What is this? These are flowers. So we get flowers from plants. Okay, so we connect this flower with tree. Okay, then here headphone. So we do not get plants. Okay, this picture, tell me. Spoon. So we do not get spoon with plants. And here, yes, look at this picture carefully. What is this? These are vegetables. What is this? These are vegetables. So vegetables get plants. Okay, we get vegetables with plants and trees. So these vegetables connect with tree. Okay, and here, yes, which picture is this? Tell me. Chair. Okay, so this chair is made in wood. Okay, so the chair is get from trees. Okay, so match the chair with tree. And this, tell me, what is this? Log. What is this? Log. Okay, and you also call wood. So this log connect with tree. And here, what is this? Tell me, which picture is this? Paper. What is this? Paper. So we get paper from plants and trees. So this paper match with tree. Okay, and here, yes, what is this? Tell me, which picture is this? Mug. So we do not get this thing for plants. And which picture is this? Watch. The watch does not get from plants. And here, fruits. Okay, so fruits get from plants and trees. So match these fruits with tree. Okay, and here, what is this? Seeds. So we get seeds from plants and trees. Okay, so match the seeds with tree. Okay, so children, you understand this exercise? Tell me. Yes, क्या करना है इसमें पता है आपको? जो चीज हमें ट्रीज और प्लांट्स के पास से मिलती है उसको हमें ये ट्री के साथ मैच करना है. So tell me student, which things we get from plants and trees? Yes, vegetables, flowers, and this chair is made in wood. wood में से बनती है ना? Tell me. Yes, and these log, paper, fruits and seeds. So these all picture we connect this tree, and this all picture we get from plants and trees. Our third exercise is color the fruits that have one seed. जो फ्रूट में only one seed है उसमें ही कलर करना है, सब फ्रूट्स में कलर कर देना नहीं है. ओके, सो कलर द फ्रूट्स दैट हैव वन सीड. ओके, विच पिक्चर इज दिस? टेल मी, विच फ्रूट इज दिस? एप्पल. सो एप्पल हैज मैनी सीड्स, so we do not color this apple. Okay, and here which fruit is this? Cherry. Which fruit is this? Cherry. So cherry has only one seed, so we color this cherry. Okay, don't go for outline. कौन से फ्रूट में कलर करना है? जो फ्रूट में ओनली वन सीड होता है उसमें ही कलर करना है, सब फ्रूट्स में कलर कर देना नहीं है. ओके, यस. एंड which fruit is this? Banana. So banana has many seeds, so we do not color in banana. Which fruit is this? Papaya. So papaya has many seeds. Okay, so we do not color this papaya. And here which fruit is this? Strawberry. So strawberry has many seeds. Okay, so we do not color this strawberry. And here where is one seed food? Tell me. Yes, here mango. Which fruit is this? Mango. So children, mango has only one seed. Okay, so we color this mango. Which color mango? Yes, yellow color. Which color mango? Yellow color. Mango has only one seed. Yes. And which fruit is this? Watermelon. Which fruit is this? Watermelon. So children, watermelon has many seeds. Okay, so we do not color these watermelon. And here which fruit is this? Fig. Which fruit is this? Fig. So fig has only one seed, so color these fig. Fig has only one seed. So children, you understand this exercise? So tell me, which fruits are only one seed? Tell me. Yes, cherry, mango and fig. Okay, so color only one seed food. Okay, understand this exercise? Yes. So our fourth exercise, circle the fruits that can be eaten with their seeds. मतलब इसमें क्या करना है, जो फ्रूट्स हम सीड्स के साथ खाते हैं उस पे सर्कल करना है. ओके, सब फ्रूट्स पे सर्कल कर देना नहीं है. ओनली कौन से फ्रूट पे सर्कल करना है? जो फ्रूट हम सीड्स के साथ खाते हैं उस पे ही सर्कल करना है. You look at this fruit carefully and after circle. Okay, which fruit is this? Tell me. Yes, apple. So एप्पल को हम सीड्स के साथ खाते हैं? नो, तो इस पे सर्कल करना नहीं है. And here strawberry. Which fruit is this? Strawberry. So we eat strawberry with their seeds. हम स्ट्रॉबेरी को उसके सीड्स के साथ खाते हैं ना. Yes. So circle this strawberry. And here which fruit is this? Grapes. Which fruit is this? Grapes. So we eat grapes with their seeds. Okay. So circle these grapes. And which fruit is this? Pomegranate. Which fruit is this? Pomegranate. So children, we eat pomegranate with their seeds. हम उसको seeds के साथ खाते हैं. Okay. So circle these pomegranate. And here which fruit is this? Mango. So children, we do not eat mango with their seeds. So we do not circle on mango. And here, which fruit is this? Guava. Which fruit is this? Guava. So, we eaten guava with their seeds. So, circle this guava. And here, what is this? This is vegetable. Okay, this is a tomato. Okay, so we eaten tomato with their seeds. So circle this tomato. And here, which fruit is this? Fig. Which fruit is this? Fig. So we eaten fig with their seeds. हम उसको सीड्स के साथ खाते. ओके, सो सर्कल दिस फिग. एंड हियर banana. Which fruit is this? Banana. So we eaten banana with their seeds. Circle this banana. And which fruit is this? Cherry. But we do not eat cherry with their seeds. So we do not circle this cherry. Okay. And here, which fruit is this? Custard apple. Which fruit is this? Custard apple. So children, we do not eat custard apple with their seeds. हम उसको सीड्स के साथ खाते नहीं है. So we do not eat an custard apple with their seeds. And here, tell me, lemon. What is this? Lemon. So children, we do not eat an lemon with their seeds. So we do not circle. Okay. And here, which fruit is this? Papaya. Which fruit is this? Papaya. So we do not eat an papaya with their seeds. And here, which fruit is this? Plum. Which fruit is this? Plum. So children, we do not eat an plum with their seeds. Okay. So understand this exercise, children. Okay. So tell me, give me answer. Which fruits are eaten with their seeds? कौन कौन से फ्रूट हम सीड्स के साथ खाते हैं? टेल मी. यस, बनाना, स्ट्रॉबेरी, गुआवा, ग्रेप्स, टोमेटो, pomegranate and fig. Okay, so children, you understand this all exercise? Yes, very good. So you remember this exercise and write in your book number 4, page number 10 and 17. Thank you.